Okay, here it is. I just rolled it. Did all the pickets, handrails by hand, and just rolled this deck. Of course, you can see it's still wet. Already got the outside. Of course, now I'm getting ready to roll what's left of these stairs because I'm backing my way out of this staircase up here. But there we go. Now I've still got to paint this outer board right there. Just roll it. I've already painted the majority of the posts. But let me give you a perspective, because I know I'm shooting it at, trying to video this at a weird angle and not very good light. So let's do this. There we go. I started on it at 7 o'clock this morning. I've been painting my butt off. All these posts are painted. That brown oak turned out really, really good. Like I said, I still do that lower board, but all the pickets and handrails and posts for the handrails are done. I got one spot there I missed, right in there. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's taken me roughly 8 hours. It rained all night long last night. So it finally quit about 3 o'clock in the morning, and then it got really, really windy, and it's been windy all day long, so it helped dry this thing out. And the stain is sticking really good. Of course, that Cabot's, you can see the results. Very nice, very nice. They're gonna like this. And I still gotta do those steps over there. I've actually ran out of stain. I'm already on my 4th gallon. So I still got to do those side steps tomorrow. Because once I run through this last batch of stain, I'm calling it a day. I got stain all over me. I'm going to basically throw the clothes I've got on away. But there you go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, a lot of guys said, oh, you need to spray it on. Yeah, right. Try spraying oil in 20-mile-an-hour winds all day long. Try that. I haven't had to tape anything up, no plastic anywhere, no tape. This is all freehand, man. This is a freehand. Oh, yeah, you know I'm a freehander. I don't use tape. Lots of laughs. Like I said, I still got that one spot there, and then that board all the way across there. But you can see the contrasting difference. All right, looks beautiful. And it's a lot of stain work. I know the camera's spiking now with the sun in it. Trying to give you posts have been stained. Nice. Okay. Well, this camera is going to spike with the sun, so I'm going to try to catch it. So the only thing I got left to do is these steps, and I'll back my way out of here. And then call it a day. And then get back out here tomorrow and knock this thing out and finish it up and make sure everything is 100% stained. And go ahead and ship off my invoice to Arizona, where the homeowner lives. And then they're going to take, the real estate agent's going to take pictures of this place. But they didn't want to take pictures of this place until this deck was done. And I agreed with him. I said, don't you dare come out here. And if he does come out here, don't step on the deck. Just take pictures from the inside of the house, or come out in the yard and take pictures. Don't step on this deck for at least 48 hours. Because it's, you know, the wood's got a little moisture in it. So, but it dried out real quick because, like I said, it's warm right now and sunny. And it's been blowing, the wind's been blowing, so it really helped dry this deck out. And I think it's going to be fine, but yeah, this is a hell of a job. I got stain everywhere. You say I'm going to throw these clothes away. But I just want you to see the progress. 8 hours. All by hand, by brushwork, and with a roller. And got about 85% of this deck is done. Completely done. There we go. Turned out great. Okay, let me get out of here and continue the staining process. But I wanted to bring you this. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.